Here is a quick unboxing video of gaming series PC 373D Sennheiser gaming headset. So I'm just going to open it up. I will not test it out in this video, but I just want to get a sense for the aesthetic of it. Wow, look at how it looks. So this one has very comfy red velvet. It's so soft too, red velvet headset, ear muffs, and then it has the microphone, which is adjustable here. Look at the headset, you can adjust it forward and back. It's so soft, in fact I can already hear my voice being dampened, so I think just the material is a natural noise canceller. So Sennheiser, of course, is a great brand, and then this can adjust up and down. I can't really adjust too much left or right. It does have a little bit of wiggle room, kind of like some type of bendy plastic that can kind of stay in place. Of course, here it can go up and down, and then there's a cushion here. It also comes with some wires, so I can plug that into the side here. But overall, my first impressions are A+. These definitely beat your standard $20 headphones for sure, just in terms of aesthetic and comfort. And then in terms of the microphone, you have this like red decoration here, which I think will work very well in general. Of course, with the microphone, you can adjust it all the way up or down, and that's really as far as the range of motion goes. And then of course the headphones allow a little bit of wiggle room. So pretty happy with these so far.